we have 50 bags of trash, and I'm gonna go through it and find the weirdest stuff and show you. That's real. Oh, you might have just saved the turtle's life. Yeah. Whoa. There is something called the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, which sits between Hawaii and California and covers roughly 617,000 square miles. It's about twice the size of Texas. It's not a solid island of trash, but more of like a plastic soup. And a steady stream of this trash washes up on our shores here in Hawaii every single day. The islands sit directly in the path of the gyre's currents, which is why beaches on the windward side are some of the most plastic polluted shorelines on Earth, and today we're doing something about it. Hawaii gets 20 tons of trash on the beaches every year, and 96% of it is plastic. And if we don't do something about it, the fish are gonna eat the plastic, and then we're gonna eat the fish. And so we have to clean the beaches, and that's why we're here today. Do you know how much trash goes into the ocean every year?
No, I can only make an educated guess.
Take a guess.
100 million pounds.
There is 11 million tons, which is about 2,000 garbage trucks every single day dumping into the water.
Why?
I'm not the one that does it. One man's trash is another one's treasure. Oh, yeah. Anyone want topping with your pizza? You might have just saved the turtle's life. What do you got?
I just found out
It's a what?
a shoe stretcher.
A shoe stretcher. Whoa! What is this? This thing looks cursed. Wow, that's a good one.
Who used that?
Ooh. Whoa.
Is it a toy or is it real? I couldn't tell.
Whoa. That's real.
Oh, that's a bird.
That's a bird? It's a bird? If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. We want to do way more things like this, and your viewership helps.